Defense counsel wound up cross-examination of witness 536 on Friday, but the media wasn't able to report the proceedings which took place in camera. The court is yet to provide transcripts of what transpired during the cross-examination, although the three-judge bench had ruled that redacted versions of the proceedings would be made available. The second witness takes to the witness box tomorrow. This is expected to be in open courts unless the judges rule otherwise. Should the judges feel that the safety of the witness is threatened, then they can order that the proceedings be held in private session, as was the case with witness 536. Both Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang are in The Hague for the trial. And back in the country, the Kenyan government could be headed to the court on Monday to initiate the process of arresting and transferring journalist Walter Barasa to The Hague following the issuance of a warrant of arrest against him by the ICC. The arrest order was made known last week. The ICC says it is in the interest of Kenya to hand over Barasa as a demonstration of its pledge to cooperate with ICC.
If found guilty, Walter Barasa faces up to 5 years in prison, a fine, or both.
I'm ready to defend myself, but I'm not ready for somebody to come put words into my mouth.
It is now confirmed that the warrant of arrest papers are already with the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government. The Interior Ministry is expected to hand over the document to the judiciary, kickstarting a judicial process on the same. A High Court judge will be appointed to deal with. Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai has confirmed that the government will be transmitting the warrant document to the Chief Justice tomorrow. Section 29 of the International Crimes Act of 2008 says that upon receipt of the warrant, the Interior Minister should notify a judge of the High Court in writing and request that the judge issues an arrest warrant for the arrest of the person whose surrender is sought. The Act also gives the Minister powers to decline to hand over a suspect to the ICC, but the Minister will give reasons for the refusal to the High Court. Once the High Court approves the warrant of arrest, the 41-year-old journalist will be arrested and handed over to the ICC for prosecution before the pre-trial chamber that issued the warrant of arrest over claims of tampering with witnesses. Barasa's lawyer Nick Kaufman declined to comment on the latest reports, insisting he would not want to preempt the Kenyan government's decision on Barasa's fate. Kendagor Obadiah for Sunday Live.